143 Vinyl. My name is Kate, and in this video we are going to be using the hat press attachment with the silver StarCraft 8-in-1 heat press. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing we are going to do is remove this entire top platen. And we are going to do this by unscrewing these wing nuts. But we want to make sure that the platen is not gonna fall, so we are going to press it down just a little bit, but don't clamp it or add any pressure. We just wanna make sure it's not going to fall off. So all you do, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, you take these off. Place these to the side because we will need them again. And we are going to swing the top platen all the way around because it will need to take these two prongs in the back to completely remove it. So once it has cleared your bottom base, you just drop it all the way down. And of course, don't forget to unscrew the other pieces. And remove the timer, but we'll come back to that and we will place this over to the side. The next thing we're gonna do is remove the bottom platen. So right under here, you will see that there are more of the wing nuts and there are two more here in the back. So we will, again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to take these off. And we will want to make sure to save two of these for later. Okay, and right here in the middle, you will see these two metal rods. And on the bottom hat press piece, you will see the two holes here. And you will just simply place it on top. And remember your wing nuts from earlier? We will just screw those back on. Pro tip, take your two extra wing nut pieces and screw them into the additional rods here at the bottom so you don't lose them. Next, we will have the top piece of our hat press. You will see two smaller metal rods here and two holes here at the top. Again, simply place those in, grab two more of your wing nuts from earlier, and screw this back on. It is time to hook up our heating cord. So just like our previous one, this will go directly into the slot here. Just remember this has a little piece missing and it fits just perfectly in. And then you will screw on the metal piece to completely attach it. Before we even turn on our press, we are first going to adjust our pressure. So we are going to do a quick test. You push it down. It seems a little bit too light, so we are going to increase the pressure. Again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We will increase the pressure, do another test, and that seems like it's good to go. The last thing we are going to do before we turn on our hat press is we are going to take the digital cord from the top platen and plug this back in to the control panel underneath. Then we will be able to count down the timer by manually pressing this prong over here. Now we are ready to turn our hat press on. And we are going to be using Siser Glitter HTV today for our hats. So we are going to set this for 320 degrees for 20 seconds. Another fun tip I want to show you guys is adding heat tape to keep your HTV pieces exactly where you want them. So we are going to take our HTV piece, add just a small piece in each corner of the heat tape, and place it exactly where we want. guys, it is finally time to press our hat. So we will take the back of it and kind of tuck it around to make sure it's not in the pressing area. Then we will take the edge of the bill and kind of lay it up against the foam piece to make sure that the top rests flush. We will hold it there, swivel our press around, and then we press and start our timer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that this has helped you use your hat press attachment for your StarCraft heat press. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.